Guys, this is my June 29th trading recap. Today I lost another $500 on the NASDAQ. So yeah, I guess we'll just get into it. Coming into the day, I was just straight up bullish. Simple as that. Hold on. Straight up bullish. We are literally just in bullish order flow, respecting bullish gaps and disrespecting bearish gaps. We had this 4-hour high and 1-hour internal high up here on both the ES and NASDAQ as my overall targets on the day. And I was thinking, okay, how are we going to get up there? Also, we had these data highs up here as additional targets at open. And I'm thinking, okay, how are we going to get up here? There's no 15-minute gaps over here or 5-minute. So I look all the way down here. I see London low is inside of this bullish 15-minute gap. So coming into market open, I want to see price manipulate down, get some sort of inversion, target this data high maybe. We also have a few stacked up highs up here as well. Okay, so market open, we get that exactly, sweep London low inside of a 15-minute gap. Absolute A plus scenario. And there is this 30-second gap that is within this candle. So I want to take that inversion coming into the day, but we don't get it. Well, we get the inversion, but by the time it closes, we've tapped into this bearish 5-minute gap. And that would have been my break-even point if we actually got the correct inversion, but we didn't. And then we rip up. I didn't really know what to do here. On NQ, the ticker symbol NQ, we swept this data high. We swept down ES, but on MNQ, we didn't sweep it. So I don't know. I don't know what was going on there. Anyways, after we sweep this data high, we were met with this 3-minute inversion, and that is what I took, delivering off the buy side liquidity, swept up top, targeting 930 wick. Honestly, I got stopped out in like one candle, I think. Yeah, I really don't know what to say with this. Maybe price wanted to go higher because we didn't sweep the data high on MNQ, but we swept it on NQ, so I don't think that really matters. So yeah, I got completely cooked. I think this is a valid trade. Maybe more of a pattern trade, I guess. But I didn't personally do anything wrong in terms of the entry model and like emotions or whatever. So yeah, after I got absolutely cooked, we resweep this high. And then I think we sweep this Asia high as well. And at this point, I want to wait for like some sort of continuation model, which we don't get. And I think after this, we'd literally just dump. Yeah, we get that resweep. Maybe there was some sort of entry there with that inversion. Not sure. We didn't really have any unfilled gaps to target. But it does. The shorts do end up playing out eventually. And it just dumps. We get no retracements. All the sell side targets are swept. We don't get any mech models either. And at this point, I think basically at this point, I was just done with the day. I was kind of frustrated about the loss too, so I was like, all right, PA is kind of ass. I don't want to fuck myself up and overtrade here. Looks like we might get a continuation short here though. I actually don't know what happened here. No. Oh wow, we just rip. Wow. Yeah, that's it for the day. Horrible day for me. Yeah, that's it. I don't really have much to say here. I think. I don't know. I think I'm really gonna just start cutting down the trades I take, and like I don't think this is an invalid trade, but I'm think I'm gonna start leaning more towards like patty swings, super obvious like extremely obvious continuations, and then I guess like mech models because this the patty swing already played out, and then the trade I took I guess would be more of like a kind of like a reversal type of trade. And I've noticed that a lot of the times that I do that, or a lot of the times I do that when they're not actual 930 Judas swings, I lose, right? So I am gonna try and cut down these sort of plays here and really stick to the 930 Judas, and then really obvious continuations and stuff like that.